Auto-reloading a file in VIM as soon as it changes on disk. Assuming that a file doesn't have unsaved changes in the VIM buffer, I'd like it to reload automatically if the file changes on disk. The most frequent use case for this is when I update the working copy in which the file resides. How can I achieve this?
In your /.vimrc,
This is what worked for me. The first line wasn't enough by itself. You can put a new .vimrc. Credit to Fan Hai Quan.
From this answer, referring to an answer by Fan Hai Quang and a comment by @Flukus. One can run this one-liner from X, within VIM, when needed, or put each command in VIMRC, for when log files are opened. Column set auto read, o cursor hold check time, call fee keys LH. Explanation. Auto-read reads the file when changed from the outside, but it doesn't work on its own. There is no internal timer or something like that. It will only read the file when VIM does an action, like a command in X, column. Cursor hold check time, when the cursor isn't moved by the user for the time specified in update time, which is 4000 milliseconds by default. Check time is executed, which checks for changes from outside the file. Call fee keys LH, the cursor is moved once, right and back left. And then nothing happens, which means that cursor hold is triggered, which means we have a loop.
Auto-read does not work correctly. The following works for me. You need to first install the script from here. I got the best results by calling the setup function directly, like so. The reason for this is that I want to run a ipython/screen/vim setup. You can easily convert this into an enhanced version of Vue. Script the process.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.